In this video, we're going to be looking at units of length. We're looking at 4 metric units of length: kilometers, meters, centimeters, and millimeters. In pink here, I've recorded a few facts that you'll need to remember about units of length. 1 kilometer is the same as 1,000 meters. 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters. And 1 centimeter is the same as 10 millimeters. So we need to find a way of converting from kilometers to meters, from meters to centimeters, and from centimeters into millimeters. Well, looking at my facts, I know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So if I'm going from kilometers to meters here, and 1 to 1,000, I know I need to times this 1 by 1,000 to get to my meters. So the number of kilometers multiplied by 1,000 is equal to the number of meters. To go from meters to centimeters, well, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. If I'm going from 1 to 100, I'm multiplying by 100. To go from centimeters into millimeters, again, 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters, so I'm going to be multiplying by 10. And you can see a nice pattern here: 1,000, 100, and 10 going down. Let's have a look at a few questions now. Let's say I'm looking at 12 centimeters is equal to an amount of millimeters. Okay, well, centimeters into millimeters, I know I'm going to need to multiply the number of centimeters by 10 to find the number of millimeters. So 12 centimeters is equal to 12 lots of 10 millimeters, which is equal to 120 millimeters. That's my conversion done. Let's have a look at another one. 4.2 meters into millimeters. 4.2 meters equals question mark millimeters. Right, to go from meters down to millimeters, I need to do 2 steps this time. Multiply by 100 and then multiply by 10. So I'm going to do 4.2 multiplied by 100 and then multiplied by 10. Okay, well, if I first of all think about this section, 4.2 multiplied by 100, if I multiply this by 10, I'll get 42. If I multiply it by 100, I'll get 420. I then need to multiply that by another 10, this 10 on the outside. So I'll have 4,200 millimeters is equal to 4.2 meters. One final example. We're going to have a look at 6¼ kilometers and think about how many centimeters that's equal to. Well, I've got a problem here. This time my question has got a fraction in. You need to know that 1/4 is the same as 0.25. So the question becomes 6.25 kilometers equals how many centimeters? Okay, kilometers down to centimeters times by 1,000 times by 100. 6.25 times by 1,000 multiplied then again by 100, which this time I'll be using my calculator. 6.25 times by 1,000 times by 100 gives me 625,000. So 625,000, and my units are centimeters.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.